You wipe down your toilet seat every single week without fail, and meanwhile you haven't touched your sponge, your cutting board, or your fridge handle in over a month. That's not a hygiene failure on your part. It's because your brain files kitchen as clean by default and bathroom as dirty by default. When a 2011 NSF International study found the average kitchen sponge carries more bacteria than a toilet seat. There are 7 specific kitchen spots beating your toilet in bacterial count, and the worst offender isn't even close. Stay with me, because I'm walking through every single one and exactly how to fix it. Bathroom cleaner brands profit from your bathroom-focused anxiety, keeping toilet bowl cleaner and disinfectant wipe sales high, while kitchen bacteria hotspots go completely unmarketed. Since there's no dedicated sponge cleaner product category, driving repeat purchases the same way. The actual fixes for every one of these 7 spots cost under $1 total. Information a cleaning industry built around bathroom-specific products has no real incentive to spotlight. Spot 1. The kitchen sponge, the single dirtiest item tested. That same NSF study found sponges harbor up to 10 million bacteria per square inch, compared to roughly 50 per square inch on an average toilet seat. Microwave a wet sponge for 1 minute daily, cost 2 cents, or replace weekly for 30 cents. Spot 2. The cutting board, especially wood boards used for raw meat. A University of Arizona study found cutting boards can carry 200% more fecal bacteria than a toilet seat due to porous surface grooves trapping juices. Sanitize with 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide after every raw meat use, 10 cents per application. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: using the same cutting board for produce and raw meat without sanitizing between. That single habit transfers bacteria directly onto food you're about to eat raw. Spot 3. The refrigerator door handle, touched by every family member multiple times daily without ever being wiped. Spray with a 1:1 vinegar water solution weekly, 5 cents per treatment, cutting bacterial transfer significantly between uses. Spot 4. The kitchen faucet handle, touched with wet, food-contaminated hands throughout every meal prep. Wipe with hydrogen peroxide on a cloth after cooking raw meat or poultry, 8 cents per treatment. Spot 5. The reusable produce bag or grocery tote, rarely washed despite carrying raw meat packaging weekly. Machine wash in hot water monthly. Essentially free using detergent you already own. Since a 2010 University of Arizona study found reusable bags carried coliform bacteria in 12% of samples tested. Spot 6. The coffee maker reservoir, warm and moist year-round, an ideal breeding environment. Run a cycle with 1 cup white vinegar monthly, 10 cents per treatment, breaking down the mineral and bacterial film that builds in standing water. Spot 7. The dish towel, reused for hands, counters, and dishes without a wash for days at a time. Launder every 2 to 3 days in hot water, essentially free, since damp fabric left bunched on a counter hook is exactly the environment bacteria multiply fastest in. None of these fixes eliminate bacteria permanently. They reset the count, and daily kitchen use rebuilds it within hours, regardless of how thoroughly you clean. This is about consistent habits, not a one-time deep clean that solves the problem forever. Under $1 total to address all 7 spots this week versus the ongoing cost of specialty kitchen sanitizing sprays most people never actually buy for these exact areas. If this changed where you're focusing your cleaning energy, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me which of these 7 spots you're guilty of ignoring. Stay sharp out there. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.